7 Volvo S80 V8. We left everything original. We left the original cats, original back cats, original resonator in the middle, and deleted the back two mufflers, this one and this one, and put new tips on it, oval tips. As you guys can see, gives it a really nice look. Nice and tucked in. That's where the two mufflers went. That's the whole two mufflers that we took off that were on it. Hope you guys like it. Amazing how the sound came out on these. S80 I know. It's amazing how loud it is. That's awesome. And it's all-wheel drive too, so you can only imagine. Some really nice set of wheels on it too. Never expect a Volvo to sound like that.
This episode is brought to you by GenoPure, suppliers of all natural supplements, vitamins, and pre-workouts. From body pain to sleep to diets, they have it all. Click the link in the description below to check out their website, genopure.com. Optimizing health and vitality, one gene at a time.